this video, we will demonstrate layup of MicroShade film using a manual layup approach. Layup is demonstrated using a 360mm wide roll of film, but the layup method applies also to wider films. MicroShade film is available in widths up to 1500mm. Manual layup of MicroShade film can be done using standard equipment. In this case we use a PC, an XY cutter to cut the film and a flatbed applicator for the layup of the film on glass. Manual layup tools are best suited for glazing smaller than 2 by 5 meters. Using such tools, 1 or 2 operators can produce 8 to 25 square meters of glazing per hour. The sheets of MicroShade film needed for glazing are calculated using standard slicing and nesting softwares. In this video we are using the software PatternSmith from Autometrics for the slicing and NestFab software for the nesting. Here we are demonstrating layup of MicroShade film on a 60 by 60 cm glass. As the film used in this video is only 36 cm wide, we need 2 film panels to cover the glass. The film is fed to the XY cutter manually and fixed to the cutting plane using vacuum. Two film panels are cut by the cutter. Cutting depth is calibrated to enable cuts right through the film. The cut film panels are removed from the roll and placed on the applicator table. The 2 panels of MicroShade films are placed on the table and aligned and held in place using weights. Thereafter, the liners on both sides of the film are taped together. A smooth and flat holding tape is used for taping the 2 panels. A freshly cleaned glass is placed in the flatbed applicator. Glass washed using a standard washing unit on a glazing assembly line is ideal to secure a clean surface and contact to the MicroShade film. Residual dust is removed from the glass surface using an anti-dust roller. The roller can be fixed to the applicator as shown in this video or manually operated. Position the joint panels on the glass with the adhesive facing downwards. The sheet is held in place on the glass using the downforce of the roller. The sheet is folded up on the roller and fixed using a piece of tape. Thereafter, the liner is carefully removed and folded downwards. The adhesive on the MicroShade film is now freely exposed. The applicator is rolled over the exposed side of the film and the film is bonded to the glass. On the other side of the applicator, fold the residual part of the film over the roll. Continue the peeling of the liner and continue the application on the film by rolling the applicator towards the other side of the glass. The grey protective liner can be removed and the glass with the MicroShade film is now ready for building into a glazing. glass with MicroShade film can be stored on racks or trolleys for days or even weeks before glazing assembly, provided the protective liner stays on the film during the storage. The interior glass of the glazing is placed on the RGU line for washing, and thereafter the exterior glass with the MicroShade film is repositioned to the line after the washing unit. A sticker is placed on the interior sheet before assembly, marking the upwards direction of the MicroShade film. A spacer frame is fitted on the exterior glass. Make sure there is a 3 mm gap between the spacer frame and the MicroShade film. Gas filling and sealing is done using normal RGU gas press. MicroShade glazing should be sealed using high temperature stable silicone sealant.